So I hope it's not too windy on the camera, but we're here at Galveston Beach. We got the babies here with us. Wifey's out in the water. We decided to take a little day trip and relax for a little bit, get our minds off work, have some fun. So yeah, today's trip is Galveston Beach vlog. We're on the road to catch up with Mommy. She's gone far away. So we are trying to run and catch up with the cuteness. I have one of my cutenesses with me. So she's just chillaxing. Mom is right up ahead of us. But today's been a good day so far. We've been relaxing. We've been in the ocean for quite a bit. The dogs had some fun time in the water. I had my fun. Wifey had her fun time. Oh, today was a good day, a good relaxing day. Glad that we were able to get out of the house and enjoy ourselves for a little bit. Hope you guys are also enjoying the video because I made it for y'all. So we've been out here for a few hours now. It is starting to get hot, so we might be leaving soon. We're either going to go get food or we are going to head back home. Wifey is currently out with the baby.